So today I'm making some deep fried eggplant. For that you just need some thinly sliced eggplants and a little bit of white flour, some egg, and some additional white flour with some cracker mixed in it. All three of these are pre-seasoned with salt, pepper, chili powder, or whatever your favorite seasoning for spicy or sweet or whatever. So we take one of the eggplants, immerse it in the flour and our egg. Make sure everything is thoroughly coated each step. Very nice. And we take that and add it to the hot oil. And they take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Slightly golden brown. They will be slightly flexible. They come out with a texture kind of like this. Very good. At this point you just add a little bit more seasoning, salt and pepper, or the seasoning of your choice, and you're all set. These are great also if you dip them in marinara. Enjoy!